Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me show you how I transform my living room with these beautiful coffee tables. Modern farmhouse two-piece round coffee table sets from Blomed are beautiful. I was looking for that boho look for my living room and I wanted some coffee tables, and these are the perfect ones. Not only does it serve as a footrest, but I love having my drink at hand or even my remote control for whenever I'm watching a good movie. I really love its natural finish with handcrafted wood ring motif. It's just adorable. I also like the high quality, medium density fiberboard that makes it super durable and safe. I really appreciate too that they have protective foot pads so no scratches are made to your floor. I literally assembled this in less than 10 minutes. It was fun putting this together, just feeling that beautiful touch, that beautiful design it has. It's such a unique coffee table and you are not going to find it anywhere else. So if you're looking to elevate your coffee, TV time moments, then definitely go for these, but that's just my point of view.